If you want your linen closet to look like from this to this, then you are at right place. So let's get started. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. It's me Lyca here, and today I'm going to show you how you can organize your linen closet. So first of all, I'm taking these baskets which I bought from at home. I like white, so I took these, but you can use any as per your liking. Next, I'll take this round basket which I also got it from at home as well. And lastly, I got 2 packs of these RGB lights from Walmart. On the top shelf, I start off with a beautiful plant, but you can put any decor which you like. Then I put my first basket containing my beauty products. And on the other side, I will put my toiletries supplies. On the next shelf, first I put some hand towels in the middle. And then I put 2 baskets, one is for hand towel and other is for washcloth. I bought these hand towels and washcloths from Costco. Next on, here are my king and queen bed sheets. I have done some decoration, but it's totally optional. Next I folded, then put pillow covers and bed sheets in bins and placed on the next shelf. In this shelf, I have put a divider that I've ordered from Amazon, so I can put my bath towels. You are welcome to try something else. I have used these big round baskets for toilet paper and paper towels. I have labeled my baskets for everyone to quickly know what goes where. I have put some nice lights behind all this to create an awesome feel. You can give that a try to make your linen closet stand out. Hope you like this video and would give this a try in your linen closet. If you do, then don't forget to share your experience in the comments section below. And please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. See you in the next video.